Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Alright, chat. I'm on that wall.
Resurgence.
You said what?
Stay alive.
Bro, yes, bro, cuz, bro, these niggas, bro, twin, bro. These niggas died so quick, and I didn't even know they died. I literally have just finished doing my intro in my party. I was gonna switch that to game chat and talk. Bro, these niggas died. It's so for real, and they dying again. Yeah, I got ass teammate. Sit down. Yeah, chat. Again, I told y'all, I got stick drift, so y'all just gonna have to give Unc a second, you know. Gonna have to give Unc a second. Word, I got y'all, bruh. Now, y'all boy last video, nigga, I got shit on. I couldn't do nothing. I couldn't do nothing. This nigga trying to run. I like that. Nigga, you always got somewhere to go. Literally.
You have reinforcements inbound. Additional target.
Plates on me, plates on me.
Back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, boy, whoever coughing like that boy smoking that mid. Alright. I got shit teammates, okay.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Don't worry, chat. I'm a carry. I got 2 kills. I'm carrying right now. These niggas can't stay alive for more than a damn minute, bro.
Well done.
He was still at whatchamacallit. This nigga below here.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. You have reinforcements.
Damn, nigga can't stay alive.
Enemies dropping into the AR.
What, little babe, Drake, who said that shit? And I died, chat, cause we have 2 lame-os, you know, just sitting, just miraculously right there, just holding hands, you know. Wow. I'm very hurt. I got jump right there, bro. I'm hurt about that. This chat, those is easy kills. Not going to lie. Telling you, boy. Lock this eye. This shit ain't got no wings. Watch out, hold on. Alright, wait. You over there. You ain't in the game. You over there. I ain't have no ammo, no nothing.
Inserting additional armor.
In chat, that's how you drop a nigga with the fiend.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Yeah, gonna do it. So when you see the stick drift in my controller,
Enemy UAV is online. Clearing up the target during contact timeline.
Inserting additional armor.
yeah, he tried to run, got hit in the face. sit down.
Inserting additional armor.
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
And it's down here. And look at this lame ass nigga sniping.
Incoming.
Oh, my team can't shut it off.
Dropping into the AR.
Oh, nah, laying back here getting my shots. Look at this lame ass nigga. He can't get a kill on his own, so he gotta catch somebody AFK. Well, not AFK, y'all know what I mean.
Back up.
Where that nigga at?
You have reinforcements inbound.
Whoever loadout I got, you are ass. Got his ass. Yeah, nigga. Ain't nobody laying on the ground. Stop crying. Ain't nobody laying on the ground.
Back up.
Stand by for redeployment. Squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
I don't know whose guns I got, but
Five station prices are adjusted.
wow. You're so good at the game.
Knock it off.
Yeah, nigga, stupid, stupid. Come res me. Come res me. Thank you. Yeah, dumbass nigga trying to finish me. Got cocky than a motherfucker. What's wrong with that nigga?
Reloading. Last mag.
Where my other gun
Get ready.
at? Yeah, playing that. Oh. Y'all boys sending their guns on the ground? Question mark. Hey, get out that house holding hands, man. Get out that house holding hands. Nigga, y'all in that bitch. Y'all in that bitch eating each other dicks. Fuck out of here, nigga. Wow. And my teammate let this nigga come upstairs. Wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. Dumbass nigga. Well, yeah, we back now. Oh yeah, good shit, twin. Shit on that nigga. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, come on, y'all was just holding hands. What now? He said, oh. Oh, that's you.
Supply crates are restocked. Advise you to load up now.
This is stupid. Oh, they precision this bitch.
Switching mag.
Designating LTVR coordinates. Enemy UAV
Got all the damn shit. They too scared. Come out, bro. Come out and play, bro. Y'all gonna die regardless. Come out and play. Come out and play.
Return fire.
Cuz, nigga, y'all were just holding hands. Yeah, sit your dumb ass down. Nigga. Oh, another one. Get that nigga. Get that nigga. Get this nigga. Dumb ass nigga, yeah. Pick me up. Stupid ass. All that holding hands they were just doing. Yeah. Angle, I'm about to load out real quick. I need my other. I don't want these niggas. This nigga, that's whoever I got. Yeah. Right past. He low. Got his ass. Stupid. Yeah. Damn right we jumped your ass. Yeah. Nigga was just in that bitch holding dicks. It's like wood. Where they at? On the ledge. Go ahead. He low on the ledge. He right here. He low as fuck on the ledge. He ran.
Inserting additional armor.
He ran.
Get moving to the safe zone.
Bye twin back. His little puss ass ran, gonna run like a little hoe. Wow. $1? Alright, hold on. That killed me. Fuck.